Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix spatial scene on iOS 26 is not working on any iPhone. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just check if the photo you are using is spatial scene compatible or not. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then go to apps. Now from this app list, just open the Photos app. Now at the bottom of this page, you will find the option of control for creating spatial photos. Now just make sure you enable this option. Now after you enable this option, just go to your home screen and open the Photos app. Now from here, the photos which are spatial scene compatible will show this icon over here. Just like that. And the photos which are not compatible with spatial scene will not show this icon. Just like that. Now once you select a photo which is spatial scene compatible, then tap on Share, and from here just select Use as Wallpaper. Now from this section, you will find the spatial scene icon over here. Just tap on it to enable spatial scene on your lock screen. Now just tap on Add. Now just select Set as Wallpaper. Now if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, now just go to your home screen, then open Settings. Now in Settings, just go to Battery, then tap on Power Mode. Now in Power Mode, just make sure you disable Low Power Mode. Now after you do that, just go back. Now in the main settings page, just tap on Accessibility, then tap on Motion. Now if Reduce Motion is enabled on your iPhone, just disable it from here. Now if you have done that and if this also did not fix your issue, now just force restart your iPhone. Now for that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the power button until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the power button. Now if this also did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. Now for that, just open Settings, then go to General. Now in General, just tap on Software Update, and from here just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. Now if this also did not fix your issue, then the last thing to do, just open Settings. Now just go to General, and in General just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now just tap on Reset. Now from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Now just enter your lock screen passcode, then select Reset All Settings. Now this will not delete any data on your iPhone. It will only reset all the settings of your iPhone. And this is how you can fix spatial scene on iOS 26 is not working on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.